أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لا يحل لك النساء من بعد ولا أن تبدل بهن من أزواج ولو أعجبك حسنهن إلا ما ملكت يمينك وكان الله على كل شيء رقيبا.
Thereafter women will not be lawful for you, and it will not be lawful for you to take other wives in place of them, even though their beauty might please you, unless they be those whom your right hand owns. Allah is watchful over everything. When your wives have become pleased and ready to stay with you through every kind of hardship, and have rejected the world in preference to the hereafter, and are satisfied that you may treat them as you please, it is no longer lawful for you that you should divorce any of them, and take another wife instead. The verse from Surah Al-Ahzab, Ayat 52 highlights a pivotal moment where the Prophet Muhammad, peace is instructed regarding his marriages, emphasizing the sanctity and stability of his existing unions. It underscores a deep sense of contentment and sacrifice from his wives, who chose devotion to the Prophet and the hereafter over worldly desires. Their willingness to endure challenges reflects their profound spiritual commitment. The verse also conveys that it is no longer permissible for the Prophet to divorce any of his wives or to take new ones, emphasizing the importance of preserving these bonds. This instruction demonstrates the unique and exemplary nature of the Prophet's family life, meant to serve as a model of devotion, sacrifice, and faith.